Yes, you can. Mobile depositing with Capital One. Ever received a check and groaned at the thought of a trip to the bank? Between work, errands, and that ever-growing to-do list, who has the time? Wouldn't it be amazing to deposit checks from the comfort of your couch, in your pajamas, or even while waiting in line for your morning coffee? Well, fret no more, my friends. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of mobile deposits, specifically with Capital One. We'll explore if Capital One offers this convenient feature, how it works, and some key things to keep in mind. Mobile deposit with Capital One? You bet. Let's get straight to the good news. Capital One absolutely offers mobile deposits. They call it mobile deposit, and it's a free service available to eligible customers with the Capital One mobile app. Benefits of mobile deposit. Now, why should you care? Here's the breakdown. First, convenience is king. Skip the bank lines and deposit checks anytime, anywhere, as long as you have your phone. No more scrambling during banking hours or fitting in that extra errand. Second, speed. Mobile deposits are typically processed quickly, often with funds available within a few business days. Third, security. Capital One uses advanced encryption technology to keep your information safe during the deposit process. How mobile deposit works with Capital One. So, how does this magic happen? It's actually quite user-friendly. Here's a quick rundown. Open the Capital One mobile app. This is where the party starts. Make sure you have the latest version downloaded. Find the mobile deposit feature. Look for a deposit button or icon, usually with a camera symbol. Snap clear pictures. Following the app's prompts, take clear photos of both the front and back of your check. Ensure good lighting and a flat surface for optimal image capture. Remember to endorse the check with For Capital One mobile deposit and your signature before taking the picture. Confirm and submit. Double-check the deposit amount for accuracy and follow any additional prompts before submitting your deposit. Relax and get notified. You'll typically receive confirmation within the app that your deposit has been submitted. Capital One will also notify you when the funds are available in your account. Important things to remember. While mobile deposit is a fantastic tool, there are a few things to keep in mind. Eligibility. Not all Capital One accounts are eligible for mobile deposit. Check with Capital One directly or within the app to confirm your account's eligibility. Deposit limits. Capital One may have daily or monthly deposit limits for mobile deposits. Be aware of these restrictions to avoid any hiccups. Endorsement and safekeeping. Remember to endorse the check properly and keep it in a safe place until the deposit clears. Once the funds are available, shred or securely destroy the check to prevent fraud. So, there you have it. Capital One offers mobile deposit, a convenient and secure way to deposit checks straight from your phone. Ditch the bank lines and embrace the freedom of mobile banking. Have you tried mobile deposit with Capital One? Share your experiences in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy banking.